Three people who are working on that side, and we all have a 6 year IT experience. We started this 1 year back, approximately, and we have reached 6,000 plus users, 2,000 plus connected, and the 800 messages has been exchanged for the computation purpose. Let's say is search people for sharing rights. So you can find people from your locality, or you can share the rights and to them, or you can find the particular people from your group also, based upon the interest or the companies and the timings, and make your own circles and commute together. So this is a right sharing community, and it's an open community. Anyone can use it from any place. We are in all the major cities, and like we have more users from Pune, like 3,500 plus from Pune, and the rest is from Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad. And the biggest achievement, like we are in the top 8. There's a contest held by the Jordan government, and so we are like, so we have been selected there. So like if the final result comes, we will be incubated in the Jordan city, in the Jordan country. So I give you the demo of this website. It's like people are using it every day for the competition. I click on the login. So the person can just click on the Facebook and log in. Okay. Okay. Basically, what we are trying to solve is our mission is minimum 2 people should be there in the car. That we want to achieve, and our target is 2020. So we are connecting more and more people every day. And our marketing strategies are like we are in talk with HIA, there's the Hinjawadi Industry Association. Like once the deal will be converted, we'll be able to reach all the 285,000 people, and every day 45,000 cars go to the Hinjawadi. So our target is to convert them and get on the board.
While you set up the demo, just talk about your revenue model.
Yeah, the revenue model is we are working on the mobile app. We are working on the mobile app through which we'll take the 10% cut. Let's say the free version is free forever. When the people find the other person, like you are finding him, it's free. Your conversation is made on the website and you are finding them. So it's free. So whenever we help you based upon the estimated time of arrival, Mr. X to Mr. Y, at that time they get connected and they pay us.
Per ride?
Yes, per ride. So this is basically like if the person wants to go, he just in a simple text manner will place all the way to Hinjawadi. All the people will get listed down. He will choose based upon the timings and the hashtags or whatever it is. So he will click on Parul. So the Parul will get here. So he will follow. So we are the admin of this website, so that's why you are able to see this. Otherwise, the person has to follow the person and he is able to send the personal or the public message. And then both can commute together. Our main motto is to build a connection between the users so that they can communicate together for the communication purpose. That we are working on. We don't capture how many rides are on our platform. We capture how many conversations are between the users. And that is the ride sharing server which will help to reduce the time flexibility issue which we always have in our ride sharing. So that will help us. Like if I am a passenger, I know 50 car owners, so I can easily contact them and go together.
So, are you focusing more on single rides or like daily
commute?
Daily commute.
Yeah. There is an option called one time on the website is available. Whenever you want to go Pune to Mumbai, 2 days before you can put because it's a pre-planned. It's not an instant you're working.
Okay. I'm going to focus more on the revenue model part of it. You said that you're going to charge per ride. Okay. Whereas your system right now is not capturing. Right now it's not capturing from where the ride is beginning, where it's going, what time it is supposed to be.
It's capturing. I go to edit profile. Edit profile of this. Because once the user is, our USP is like
actually in real time we are not capturing anything. It's first daily commute. Like he has already put in he will be going from home to office and this to that.
Your revenue model suggests you going to get a percentage of whatever is the trip cost on per trip basis.
Yes, per trip.
Okay. So how does this help you reach there? how does the current system that you are doing?
Yes, the current system is free and free forever.
So the thing is, we have got two models.
It is okay. See, the utility is there, that's why people are using it. Done.
Yes, done.
Don't talk about it.
Yeah.
What you have to focus on is how you are going to make money. If you are going to make money on a per trip basis, where is the data of per trip being captured? Because the comments that are posted over there are text. It's not a structured format.
Yes, I'm saying कि sir, इन्हें आप per trip की बात कर रहे हो, in a per trip there will be a proper mobile app in which the person will book a ride based upon the estimated time of the ride.
How far you are from?
Yeah, they will launch in another 3.5 months. So I'm talking about this, the current version we have, and the revenue model will be generated through the mobile app only. In this, we will analyze the data, we will do the analytics on the data, and in this, there will be a revenue model of an advertising.
Okay.
So that is basically it's a different. So because on India, like I have a car, people think कि मेरी car है, मैं पैसा third party को क्यों दूँ?
Okay. Couple of questions.
That is also the mentality in case of the ride sharing community.
Why are you capturing conversations and not capturing trips completed?
There are n number of websites are available in which the people are posting.
No, see.
Hmm.
I'm just extending this
Yeah,
question.
sure.
I'm talking about the business model.
Yes.
Okay. Need, we all know that is there. You don't talk about that.
Yes.
Now, your revenue model is based on the trips that have been completed. Yes.
Agree.
So you need to have a super cool analytics on your trips completed. Maybe if I took a ride with him, okay, from Hinjewadi to Karnataka, and I dropped at Koregaon Park, are you capturing that too?
We will capture.
Yeah. So the focus should be primarily on your atomic unit of revenue model, that is your trips completed, and your whole analytics should be very cool based on that. That's one comment. Okay. Second important thing is when I am traveling with him, how I am paying for you.
It's through online cash.
Okay,
It's an online transaction.
That is what you need to think about. Okay. Again, taking example of what other guys are doing, Uber and all those guys. Their proposition is that they have made the act of payment very simple. It's one click. You need
Agree, sir. We have analyzed the payment system is agree. Yes.
So, analytics, which captures your atomic unit of revenue model, that is trips completed. And second is a very seamless way of me paying to you.
Yes.
Because what you are competing against is Venkat is my friend, I'm traveling with him. He gives me a ride every day. I need not pay him anything. But now you are saying that there could be another person. So you should make the art of payment totally seamless. I need not go and come to my office, log on to your website and do an online payment. I won't
No,
do
no,
that.
you are not saying you are taking another manner, sir. I am saying the mobile app will be there. You don't have to come on this system because the feedback that you are giving is totally valid and it's already there.
I just want to add, like there's two different parts. This is the web portal, which is going to be free and always free. Okay, this is for people, they are not used to carpooling. So it's for them to get used to it. Now the app, which we are going to put it live after like 3 months, that is going to be for real-time ride sharing. So once they're used to it, the app is going to have all easy transactions, cashless transactions, and all the statistics will be there.
See,
so it's going to
absolutely.
be
This is a very competitive market.
right.
You realize that you are in this business. You need to do these things very quickly.
Yes.
Okay, very quickly, and because a lot of people are trying to do these kind of things.
Agree, but then again, we could have also built and started with an app. Why we didn't do that is because people
Yeah.
don't know carpooling. We ask IT people, they don't
But
know what
second
is
reason is
carpooling. So we
second
have to
reason is
get
mobile
them used to
app,
it.
internet connections, the data cards. People think the connections display so Facebook हो, WhatsApp हो, Twitter हो, that's it. उनके पास है ही नहीं, data card IT people के 10% लोगों के पास है.
Last question. What are you doing about security and safety?
Yes. Just can you click Kaveri?
No, just speak about it.
Okay. On the mobile platform, yeah, every car owner will be verified. On this, like if the person wants to use it, the person is linked with the Facebook, Twitter, and the LinkedIn profile. So you can check out. So the 70% the security is automatically increased. The rest 25% will be increased. The person can use the photo feature of the website. They can ask any identity proof. The last 5%, the person is following the ride sharing etiquette. It will be followed.
What happens in case of an indemnity clause? So I travel with him and he mugs me during the car conversation.
So you are a very suitable guy. You have to first check and use the right
Question.
sharing.
This is the question first. If something goes wrong, who's liable for that?
We are not liable.
You are not liable.
We are not. For the website platform, we are not liable. For the mobile app, yes, we are liable.
If there's in the cases of accidents or anything, we are talking to the insurance companies. Like that is how it
Exactly.
works.
You need to do that.
Yeah, that we have with the mobile, not with the web.
That is going to be all for the mobile app, for which we will charge.
Can I comment? One is, there is no such thing as a mobile app and a web portal, okay? You are just one fix. As a company, there is just one fix. You can't have two faces and then juggle and say that this is how you will work if I go online and this is how you will work if I am talking to you on mobile.
आपने जो बोला ना राइड शेयरिंग पैसा कहाँ से आएगा मैं उसकी बात कर रहा हूँ
You still not getting it, okay? It's your decision to charge 0 or 1 rupee for a ride. Okay, if you charge 0, it's free. If you charge 1, it's a money. Okay, what to charge, when to charge, how to charge is all a different thing. But if you're showing me this is an app and this is going to remain your face on the web, and you're saying that there's going to be a different face that you're going to build, totally follow.
I know, I never said it. You only said there will be different faces. Don't put that.
That's what I'm hearing from you.
No, I not said this. I said the mobile version. So in the mobile version, there will always be a part in which the people can start a conversation.
So I can't do that same thing on a web.
You can do this on the web, but the real time you cannot do it. I think we are talking same thing, but like we are not in
See,
the
because
same
we are
words.
going to have a free one.
It's okay. See, that's my comment. You have to take it. You have to do. Then the next time on your pitch, you have to.
Take comments. Go and think about it.
Sure, sure.
I think we already have the answer.
Thank you.
Next up is Rohel.